Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Sunday, August 18th. We'll start with a surface weather depiction. You can see high pressure definitely in control here over the northern Great Basin, but actually really almost all over the west. Most of these are what we call thermal lows or thermal troughs, just because of the very warm temperatures all across the western states as this high pressure is locked in, producing sunny skies and strong heating. And that's what we're getting today, heating. We can see we're reaching into the 90s now for afternoon highs. And along with that, obviously the relative humidity will crash, widespread areas below 15%. And when that's combined with the gusty winds in zone 410, which you can see here, these winds will definitely be gusting to 30 miles an hour. We are most definitely looking at red flag conditions, and that would be mostly obviously in the Arco Desert, but zone 410 in the eastern Idaho dispatch area is the only one that is under a red flag warning at this time, and that goes from about noon until 9 p.m. Here's the overnight lows. You can see obviously with it being a little bit breezy, rather mild, with even Stanley staying well above freezing. The high pressure continues to linger in there. There may be some clouds as this stationary front wanders around, but it wouldn't amount really to much. And you can see temperatures still very warm, and 90s reaching all through pretty much the entire valley with the exception of the Ashton area. And then relative humidity is also obviously getting very low, allowing quite a bit of drying, I would imagine, for fuels. But the winds are not there, so we do not expect the red flag conditions to come back for tomorrow. And overnight lows, once again, continue very mild, maybe a little bit cooler, but not by much. And here, once again, high pressure in place. Temperatures, not much change from the day before. Relative humidities, some areas here down below 10% now for sure. And overnight lows, again, pretty mild. The winds for this time period are dying down. So we have light winds also as well on Wednesday. You can see here we start to get a few more clouds, especially in central Idaho, and then by Saturday it's all partly cloudy, and that's when the cool down occurs. If you want to look at this in detail, I recommend you pause to look at the extended, and again the abbreviations used above are all listed down here. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can call us at this telephone number or look at the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. If you have any comments or feedback on the content of the briefing, email our webmaster at this email address. Thanks for watching.